Today is February the 17th, 2024. We had a couple inches of snow overnight, and the birds are looking for food and water. I sometimes see birds standing along the edge of the blue pet dish. It looks like there could be some heat that comes up, and there's a tufted titmouse. That was fast. The robin is on the concrete feeder. It must like cold water because it was drinking some half-frozen water. Now it's standing in the bird bath, frozen water, getting a drink. I threw some safflower on the ground under the feeder there, under the table. And as you can see, there's quite a few different birds that are going to the feeders and the heated pet dish and bird bath. It's only about 37 degrees Fahrenheit. Now one little bird's actually trying to take a bath in there. Some type of sparrow. I'm going to have to get out there and put some water in. Amazing.